Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss how to perform the soft tissue mobilization for the piriformis muscle. The position is very easy to make. First of all, you need to determine the side on which you want to perform this technique. Let's say we want to perform this on the left side. So I flex the left neck and I'm going to press. I'm using my elbow, or I can make use of my trunk also to maintain this position. Once this position is maintained, it means the stretch on the muscle is adequate and your patient should not be feeling any sort of stretch in this position. This is a very good indicator. Then you can use your fingertips. You can use a reinforcement hand to mobilize in this direction, or even a thumb to press and to make circles clockwise or counterclockwise in this direction or in this direction. So that's how you can work on this region if your patient is old, if it is very irritable, or if it is not responding to the conventional methods, or maybe in the start of the treatment you can use this technique. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, do let me know. Thank you very much.